This is a video showing the problems we're having with our brand new model SP660 Snaptain. First of all, the controller here sticks to the side. It's been sticking since within the first couple hours of even owning the device. It only sticks on the one side. The rest of it's fine. Look, it's sticking down there now too a little bit. I guess it's just the side. It sticks over here, sticks up to the side. No problems with the other controller at this time. Turn it on. Now when we try to connect with our Wi-Fi, also giving us troubles. You see, we turned it on, and it's supposed to bring up a Snaptain thing, and there's no... We'll give it a minute, see what it can find. See, there's no Wi-Fi even showing up with anything Snaptain, and it's on right here. We can even turn this off and turn it back on. Go ahead, try to find everything. I'm doing a video. Go away. Let's see. There's not anything. It went to neighbor stuff, but there's no Snaptain. It is just turned on. Go ahead, turn it off and turn it back on. Okay, try that again. We'll do this again, just in case. Let's see, there's never any Snaptain.